always tracking, always alerting. This is Storm Team 8.
And welcome back, Storm Track Live Radar. More often this month of October, we've had days with rain. We've had about 60% of days with rain. And you can see the rain continues out there right now on Storm Track Live. You can see heading towards the Battle Creek area and also around Marshall, Coldwater, and a band stretching from Whitehall, Muskegon. You can follow that right down 96 in the Grand Rapids area and further down 96 right to Lansing. Question is, are we going to have any rain in the Lansing area for Saturday? I'll answer that in a little bit. Holland right now, wet roads out there currently, and this is likely how we're going to wake up tomorrow morning. We'll take a live shot in Grand Rapids from the museum, and you can see some raindrops there as well. And so tomorrow's just going to be one of those days you're going to want the umbrella. 51-degree temperature in Grand Rapids, 54 in Kalamazoo. East wind continues, and that's going to continue tomorrow as well. It's going to hold up tonight. Right now it's currently between 5 and 10 miles an hour in most locations, and because of that, in the clouds, I think temperatures are going to be pretty mild for an October night. Right around 50. Area of low pressure off to our south, the counterclockwise circulation around it, bringing that moisture right into southern lower Michigan. We'll be right in the northern periphery of that moisture, and that means, well, over the next, I would say 24 hours, we'll at least have a chance of rain. Plays out in the futurecast. It'll begin at 7 o'clock in the morning Friday, and you can see kind of a similar look to the radar with scattered showers. That's going to be the case tomorrow as well. But at least during the afternoon, it's going to be lighter and more widely scattered. There's going to be some pockets of dry weather as well. As we head into Saturday morning, if you're tailgating in East Lansing, it looks like early on a couple of sprinkles possible. I think the kickoff is going to be dry. Clouds will be stubborn, though, in the Lansing area and really much of lower Michigan, with the exception of areas to the north late in the day. Could see a few breaks with some sunshine. Rainfall futurecast. It looks like most areas from Grand Rapids to the south will fall between around 1/4 inch to around upwards of 3/4 inch, and the lesser amounts up to the north. Here's a look at the 8-day forecast featuring just 20% chance of sprinkles on Saturday morning, drying out during the afternoon. For Sunday, for trick-or-treaters, cold front will be moving through, and that's why I have that 20% chance of a sprinkle. Otherwise, it looks dry. And look at this, right on cue. Once November arrives, boom, there goes the temperatures. And I think we will be cold enough, at least especially during the morning hours, we see lows around the freezing mark, that we may see our first snowflakes of the season. Doesn't look like accumulating snow yet.
Okay.
No, just that nuisance variety.
Thanks, Matt.
Thanks, Matt.